Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to allow everyone to see what others post on your Facebook page using the latest update on desktop. If you've noticed that posts from friends or visitors aren't visible to everyone, it's usually because of a privacy setting that needs a quick adjustment. The good news is it only takes a minute to fix. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Facebook on your PC using your preferred browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will drop down. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another set of options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can control different aspects of your profile and privacy. Now, on the left-hand side, look for the section called Page and Tagging and click on it. This is where Facebook lets you manage how posts and tags appear on your profile. Scroll through the options until you find the setting that says, Who can see what others post on your page? Click on that option and you'll see a list of audience choices. Select Everyone to make sure that any posts from others are visible to anyone who visits your page. After selecting Everyone, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Now, your Facebook page is set so that everyone can see posts made by others, making your profile more open and interactive. If this helped you out, you can explore more settings to fine-tune your privacy exactly how you like it.